turn the speed down just to make sure. So we'll move it to here.
Testing out his skills in robotics, Alex Phillips is a little envious he wasn't able to learn his trade at Pima Community College's new advanced manufacturing facility.
I walked through here, and this is sort of what I would imagine the sort of facilities that like MIT has almost.
Phillips, who just graduated with an associate's degree from Pima, joined the excitement at the downtown campus as officials unveiled the $35 million expansion. The new state-of-the-art facility will provide advanced equipment and instruction for students like Phillips who are interested in automated industrial technology, computer-aided design, machining, and welding programs. The three-story institute has impressed Phillips so much that he's considering enrolling again.
I'm definitely looking forward to it. I would love to come back eventually, just because it's an incredible facility. I've never seen anything like it before in my life.
At the forefront of this years-long project is Pima Chancellor Lee Lambert. His vision is to provide students incredible opportunities you likely won't find at any other college.
This is a strong message to the community that your Pima Community College is here to meet your education and training needs so that you can get the good jobs that exist here. I saw potential for this community. I knew we could do a lot more, and now look at it, right? Here we are, and this is the crown jewel of that vision.
And looking with eyes wide open are local employers like Mark Gaspers from the Boeing Company, who will have the cream of the crop hand-selecting Pima students to build their technology.
I'm super proud to be partnered with Chancellor and Vice Chancellor, Director Cueva, in understanding that we need to move at the speed of business, but to do so in a facility as bright and as beautiful as this advanced manufacturing building is. It makes us happy to come together with our students to show that manufacturing in this next century is a bright new future.
For Alex Phillips, enrolling in more classes might just be what he needs to land the perfect career.
Here you get a taste for all of them: electrical, mechanical, hydraulic, automation engineering. So once you have the degree, you can sort of go where you want. That's my personal plan, is to go back to school for that specific discipline and get an engineering degree in that.